The dropshipping industry has seen a recent surge of popularity thanks to the surging influence of TikTok. This powerful social media platform has opened the doors to countless new opportunities for entrepreneurs, allowing them to reach their target market in a way that was not possible before. With the help of TikTok, dropshipping businesses have been able to increase their visibility, expand their reach, and drive more sales. But before you jump on the TikTok bandwagon and start your own dropshipping business, it's important to understand how the platform can help you succeed. This video will provide an in-depth look into how TikTok is impacting the dropshipping industry and what you need to know to make the most out of it. TikTok is currently the most prolific social media platform, which is the attention of all young people. With this comes entertainers who will take advantage of these young audiences. Young people see influencers such as Andrew Tate with millions of dollars and cars and houses. They obviously want to have that lifestyle, which he has. So what do? They see a TikTok video such as a day in the life of dropshipping with Nazareth, seeing his incredible results by day 7 having $2,000 profit, and they want to be like him so they can afford a new Lamborghini at the age of 16. There is nothing wrong with what Andrew or other influencers are doing by flexing their cars. All they are doing is commanding motivation. Where it becomes questionable is when people who sell courses on making money from your laptop start to show how easy it is to do so. This style of marketing suggests that making money is easy and all it requires is for you to listen to their strategies and methods to do so. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We are slowly growing and we are on the road to reaching yet another milestone, so please support the cause. In addition to potential misinformation, it's important to recognize that the dropshipping industry is highly competitive. While TikTok may have made it easier for new entrants to get started, it is still essential to do your due diligence, research the market before launching your business. This includes understanding the competition, finding reliable suppliers, and developing a strong marketing strategy. One way to set yourself apart from the competition is to offer high quality products and excellent customer service. This can be achieved by carefully selecting your suppliers and making sure that your product meets the needs and expectations of your target market. You should be prepared to go above and beyond to satisfy your customers, whether it's through fast shipping, responsive customer support, or offering generous returns and exchanges. Another key to success in the dropshipping industry is to differentiate your business from your competition. This can be achieved through your brand identity, your product selection, or your marketing approach. For example, you might choose to specialize in a particular niche or offer unique, hard to find products, or focus on sustainability or social responsibility. It's also important to stay up to date with these latest trends and developments in the dropshipping industry. This includes keeping track of new platforms, technologies, and marketing strategies that can help you reach your target market and drive more sales. By staying informed and adapting to changes in the market, you'll be better positioned to succeed this dynamic and fast-paced industry. Now we're getting into the meat of the video. These TikTokers also collect money from AdSense. The lowest AdSense rate per 1,000 views is $10 for ecom YouTubers. So that means if Nathan has 4.9 million views, we divide that by 1 and then times that by 10, you'd get 49,000. That's the bare minimum he has made since he has blown up on TikTok, and we can fairly estimate it'd be much more than that. Sub AdSense on Jordan Welsh's videos is above $90. He also has a team that offers one-on-one mentorship, so we can estimate that he's making a lot more than AdSense revenue. The way he attracts his prospects is by attracting them on TikTok with his extremely desirable results and his eccentric lifestyle. He isn't the only person who has done this. Austin Rabin uses the same tactics as Nathan. These tactics are working as young men now want to be financially free, and they see their respected entrepreneur become financially free. They make dropshipping seem easy when in reality it's extremely hard. These dropshippers show skewed Shopify dashboards, claiming this to be a reality as they have done it before. Maybe they have had some success with dropshipping, but they make it seem as though it was as easy as taking a walk down the street. In reality, dropshipping is hard. You need to put in countless hours of work and waste money testing product after product. They promote that it's easy, so people with their help and one-on-one mentorship that they can be financially free as the influencers are. Now, we are constantly starting to see YouTubers now do get-rich-quick challenges, such as starting dropshipping with no money in 7 days, with realistic results in the title, because they always are realistic when they do $1,000 after the first day. I think that we can thank the people of TikTok promoting these get-rich-quick ideas. Now viewers only want to see how they can make money overnight and not the real process. TikTok dropshippers are misleading the audience, which they claim they want to help. Whenever you see these dropshippers, take any tips and advice with a grain of salt, as they are trying to mislead you and set you in the wrong direction.